How to change watchlist name on 4T Trader. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are learning how to change your watchlist name on 4T Trader application using your mobile device. First things first, launch open the 4T Trader app on your device and log in. From the main homepage of 4T Trader, go to the top left section and tap on the pencil button right in front of Watchlist. Now once you're inside the Watchlist tab, tap on the pencil button at the top once again and edit your watchlist name in the text box. Once you do that, click Save and you have successfully changed your watchlist name in 4T Trader. Try using a clear and organized name for your watchlists so that it's easier to manage them later. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.